What's up, guys? So I noticed the past month or so I've been using this 12-volt drill quite often rather than my impact, and I just use one of the bits off of my multi-bit screwdriver. But like today I used it when I was installing some outlets, and it came in handy because I can just swap it like that, and the old outlets still had the flathead tip screws on them, so it was just easy. But this thing is pretty powerful. But let's check it out. I like it. I've just been having it on me when I'm doing odd jobs